What is up, guys? Here with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today I'm going to be answering a question that people wonder about. And that question is, do these long shipping times from AliExpress affect my sales? And to answer it the short way, the answer is no. And before we get into this video, guys, I want to hear some video suggestions below that you want me to make, because I know there's a lot of ones that you guys want to hear about and me talk about and show you whatever, but I can't think of all of them. So let me know in the comments below and I will get on that. And also, guys, don't comment a tax video because I'm working on that with my accountant. It's something we have been planning and we will be posting it hopefully within a month. I'm working on the specifics of it to see exactly what we want to talk about in it. So yeah, guys, let's get back into this video. So conversion wise, it doesn't really affect it that much. In a very minuscule way, it might to some people that see it. But the thing is, it's not going to affect your sales if you make it known to these customers, because people that shop online are used to like a week or two shipping time, so 12 to 20 days e-packet to the United States is not a big deal. So with international, usually it's within 4 weeks, usually before that. So I feel like with dropshipping, a big reason that a lot of people don't start or they don't want to do it is because of the long shipping times. And honestly, it's something that you just have to deal with if you're dropshipping, and honestly, it's not a big deal once you start actually making a lot of sales. Some people will complain about it, but really it's just about making customers known and aware of that factor before they actually buy it. So what I do is on every single product description that I have at the bottom in a block quote, it says, please allow 2 to 4 weeks for shipping to arrive at your house. So I give them this time frame that is stated on the website, so this also helps with customer service. So when people come and complain it's been like a week, I'm able to respond to them and direct them back to the product description where it says, please allow 2 to 4 weeks for the product to arrive at your door. And once you let them know that, most of the time they're just gonna be like, okay, thank you very much for responding. I'll let you know if I have any other questions. So usually that's what it's all about, and these people don't really care that much about the time. They just need to be known and aware of it, because some people may buy stuff, it takes like a week to get to them, but when they buy something from your dropshipping store and it takes 2-3 weeks or whatever and they're just wondering where it is, then you have to make sure that these people are actually aware of what's going on, where the product is, and stuff like that. So with Overlo, you're able to provide the tracking code with them depending on where they live. I know US e-packet does, most suppliers have that, the tracking. Some international countries have tracking. So with the long shipping times from AliExpress, it doesn't really affect the conversion rates that much. I've tested a little bit with it to see if I shipped an in-house product and a drop shipping product, the same exact product, the same exact store, to see which got more sales, and honestly, they're about hand in hand, the same exact even, because people don't really care. You just have to make sure that your ad's appealing, your store, whatever. There's a lot of factors that go into becoming successful with drop shipping, because I know some people that when they first start drop shipping, they're not getting any sales, they don't know what's going on, and they're like, oh, I think it's just because of the shipping times. I put it in my description. Should I put the shipping times in my bio or whatever? And honestly, don't put it anywhere except for on the product descriptions of your products. So you want to make it known on the products when those people are going to buy it. Some suppliers for these different products may have different times, so you want to make sure that you include those specific times so people are aware of that. And really, you won't have any problems. You'll get a couple complaints, like I said, email-wise, but just redirect them, tell them it's on the way, there's tracking, whatever, and they will be completely fine with it and stop emailing you. But there's also sort of a con to the long shipping times as a drop shipper, not as a consumer, and that is that we don't know where this product is. It may take 3 weeks, it takes the supplier 3 days to process it and ship it out, but then really we don't know exactly where it is, because sometimes the tracking isn't available or the tracking hasn't updated, or whatever the circumstance may be. And that just allows for us not to give these customers the exact feedback that we want to. We want to provide them with exactly where their product is. So I feel like that's another problem with drop shipping, is being able to have customers be able to track their order exactly where it is at specific times. So sometimes they may want to track it, but it will be already not even processed by a supplier. So you just have to make sure that all the orders are being taken care of, and checking on Overlo, whether they're processed, they're fulfilled, whatever. So recently I've started using Overlo Supply, which is basically where you search in on Overlo, where they have some kind of agreement with AliExpress, where basically you can pay and fulfill 1,000 orders at once. So I'm not having to do anything. Overlo is doing all the work. I'm not having to go step by step fulfilling these orders manually. All you have to do is put in your credit card, your debit card, whatever you're using, and it will pay for it. All the orders, 1,000 at once. So it's a lot easier than the original way that Overlo had it set up. And Overlo has basically anything you could want on AliExpress on Overlo Supply, because they're integrated together. So if I were you and you're getting a lot of sales, I feel like that's a good place to start, because Overlo handles that. They email the customers the shipping, the tracking, the updates of it, just where it is overall. So really, guys, long shipping times aren't really going to affect your store and your conversion. You really just have to make the customer aware of what is happening, where the product is at, where it's going, and then you'll be good to go. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.